Alright, so today we are going to be doing a little experiment. So the first thing I'm going to do is add some baking soda to my bowl here, and then I'm going to add some of my vinegar. You see that? We have a chemical reaction when the liquid, that is the vinegar, touches the solid, which is in this case our baking soda. They mix together and produce a gas. That gas is called carbon dioxide. It's the same thing that you get when you exhale, meaning that when you take a breath in and when you release it, you release carbon dioxide. Now, let's see what happens when we add baking soda to our balloon and vinegar to our jar, bottle, or container and mix together. Well, what do you think will happen? Well, let's see. Let's start by adding baking soda to our balloon. So I took the little nib off of my balloon so it'll be easier to use with my container, but of course you don't have to do this. I think that's enough. And then I'm going to place vinegar in my jar. And then put the two together. Carefully place the top of your balloon over the top of your container. Allow the two to mix and inflate your balloon. Isn't that cool? And there we have our balloon filled with some carbon dioxide. Woo! That's released when our baking soda and vinegar mix together. Wasn't that a fun experiment? Stay tuned for much more fun and learning crafts just like this one. And of course you can try this at home and let us know, like the video or comment down below. We'll see you next time, friends. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.